What's up, everybody? Today, I'd like to talk to you about Arbitrum Airdrop opportunity. So the thing is this: there are two major L2. So one is Arbitrum, and another one is Optimism, which is OP. So OP did their airdrop to their early users. It's also believed that Arbitrum is likely to have token too, but they will need to have some kind of task to qualify who are the early users. They initially did a program called Arbitrum Odessy, where they have several tasks that you can do, like for example, bridging. So once you bridge over, they will give you an NFT. It was supposed to be a 8 weeks program, so every week you have some tasks to do. However, they stopped Arbitrum Odyssey because there was too many traffic coming in and the gas price spiked. Everyone was coming in because of the speculation on the airdrop. So the solution was to introduce Nitro, which is a upgrade to the chain so that it can allow for more traffic. And Nitro went live on 31st August. But Arbitrum Odyssey program did not return. There is another program which kind of like quest to earn roles on their Discord. Now again, this is pure speculation about the airdrop because here they also highlight that this is just about getting roles in their Discord and literally nothing. However, despite that, you can see that about 50,000 people still take part. Now, the cost of doing this is around 0.02 ETH plus gas. And when you complete all the tasks, you will get access to different roles in the Arbitrum Discord server. In fact, someone actually did up a contract, kind of like a group buy, one shot buy all the tokens. However, when I try it, it did not work for me. So it's back to manual work. Now, the URL again is guild.xyz Arbitrum, and here you will be asked to connect your wallet and your Discord account and your Twitter handle. Then you just need to complete the different tasks to get access to the Discord role. Now, a few things to note. Most of the token over here that they are asking us to buy, they are at a very small amount, like for example 0.01 GMX, and most of them you can get it on Uniswap. Now, let's say if you cannot find it on Uniswap, you can also try Sushi Swap. Another thing is this task, which is this Odessy task. Because the Odessy program is over, if you are really OCD and you really want to complete everything here, you will need to buy an NFT, and this is over at Stratos. Now, another thing that I encounter is that do not try to paste like the NIM directly into Uniswap because there could be scam token. You don't really know whether this live peer is the correct live peer. Now, the safer way could be view on the Explorer. Then from here, you copy the contract address and go back to Uniswap, just paste in the name, and this ensures that you are selecting the correct token. And from here, you can purchase like 0.001, which they want us to do. After when we make the purchase, now after we make the purchase, going back to Guild XYZ, it will refresh and you will have access to the Discord role. So this is a long list. Took me about 30 minutes to do all this. If you have time to spare, might want to explore. Hope you learned something today, and thanks for watching. Bye bye.